All right, fam, I've got one for you. My question to you is, what is the largest code base you have owned with only one other person? And my answer here is going to be about 380,000 lines of code. Now, one thing that's funny about when you're working on a project this size with this few people is that all of your fancy project structures are essentially completely meaningless. The only thing you can do is search and pray. This is also how I came up with ag piped into FCF. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if we do ag dot, it's going to run through every single file and put every single line into memory. Then we're going to put it into FCF. And what this will do, you can see it's pulled all 375 lines of code. And I can start doing crazy things with it. Like if I want to look inside our localization folder and see all the getters in it, I can do this like that, okay? So that's one example. It's wild how far you can get with this. We're gonna do another one for, and what's great about this is it'll find things you don't actually know the name of. So for example, I can do home screen. We can look through and we can find a reference to like commercial home screen, for example. And so then I'll come in here and do commercial home screen and it will show me that file exists. And this is honestly the only way I have found to get through these massive, massive code bases when there's only a couple people on the team. So hope that was interesting. Thank you very much.